Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, end of the week. It's a beautiful morning. Sun is shining outside. It's Friday 15th, it's mid month. Friday 15th May 2026. This is a recap of what we had yesterday, what we were looking at yesterday. So, the levels we were focusing on yesterday. And the market was since Wednesday. Since Wednesday, the market had been consolidating. They've been consolidating around this level here, around 46.74 and 46.74 and 47.27. They've been consolidating around here. So yesterday we had a break, but this happened very late in the night at 10 p.m. So this is what we were looking at. We were looking for potential buys above this level. We never got a buy. No candle closed above a potential buy level. We didn't get a signal to buy, so we didn't enter any buys. For the sales, you can see this consolidation here. For the sales, we are looking for potential sales below this level. We got a fake out just a week. It was a week here. Then we got a break at around 10 p.m. 10 p.m. That's when the market broke out of the consolidation at 10 p.m. I didn't take this trade, but if you had set your alert around here, you remember you can set an alert here. You don't have to be on the screen all day long, just waiting for your levels for the market to get to your levels. You can set an alert. My alert went off. I was not around. I was not near my machine, my laptop, so I didn't get this trade. I didn't take this trade, but even if you got an alert, I didn't. Had I gotten an alert, I still wouldn't have taken the trade because the trade didn't get to the level I wanted to. This level was not retested, so I had no entry yesterday. I didn't get an entry unless you took an impulse. Unless you took an impulse sale here. Remember, you can always take an impulse. Unless you took an impulse sale here, around here, push the market down, you'd have taken the market down to TP1 and TP2. Because even on M15, if we jump down to 15 minutes, I don't like taking the impulse trades. I like trading what I see and getting confirmations. So this is what happened on 15 minutes. Is 10 p.m. This is when the candle closed below our level at 10 p.m. here. Yeah, 10 p.m. This is when the candle closed below our level at 10 p.m. So the next candle opened here. You could have taken the market from here. Wait. Once the market closed here, is the 10 p.m. candle. So the next candle started at 10:30. So this candle closed at 10:30. Okay. This candle closed at 10:30. It opened at 10 p.m. Closed down here at 10:30 p.m. Okay. So if you were to take this trade at 10:30 p.m., that's when you would have jumped down to 15 minutes. At 10:30 p.m., you see, the market was already here. So unless you took an impulse trade from here, an impulse sell from here, you would have taken the market down. But I don't like the impulse trades. I would have set my limit here, my sell limit here, because this breakout we didn't have. Do you have a fair value gap? Yeah, there was a fair value gap. It was tapped into. But yeah, you'd have taken an impulse sell here, or set set a buy limit, set a sell limit here on this fair value gap. Yeah. What was the height there? 46.65, 52. The height there, 46.65, 445. Still would have, you still would have, your sell limit would you would not have been activated here still. So I didn't take that trade yesterday. I was just trying to show you how you would have taken it. Personally, yesterday I took no trade. But if you took an impulse sell here, you would have taken the market down to TP1 and TP2. Okay, so let's see what you have today. What do you expect today on the news? Any high impact news coming out today? Today is Friday. Nothing high impact, nothing high impact, nothing. Only spikes you could get is if Iran makes a statement, Trump makes a statement, or yeah, either of the two. If Iran or Trump makes a statement, you could see the market spikes, price spiking up and down. So real quick, let's do our analysis. Remember today is Friday. I really don't like trading on Fridays, but for the sake of those who want to trade, remember this week how many trades have we taken? We didn't take a trade yesterday. We've taken 3 trades, one, two, lost one, right? Yeah, we've taken 3 trades this week. We've lost one trade and won 2 trades. So overall, we are still in a win. So today is Friday. You don't have to trade every day to be profitable. So this is what you are looking at. This is what you are looking at yesterday. Let me remove everything. Remove everything. And do a fresh analysis for today. We begin on the 1 month. We begin our analysis on the 1 month. Our resistance up there. Resistance up there. Support down here. Jump down to the weekly. Resistance, support down here. Internal resistance up there. And then we still take note of this. This is the internal, this is external resistance on the weekly, because this is the high, this is the low on the weekly. Okay, down to daily. Still have a cold, excuse me, I'm sorry, I know I'm making noise. So on 4 hours, this is our support down here. On the daily, this is our support down here. Is our resistance up here. That's on the daily. Okay, jump down to 4 hours. Now on 4 hours, we'll use the bullies, not the wicks. So on 4 hours, this is our this is our resistance here. Move it to the body there. That's our resistance. Our support on the 4 hours. Remember, this candle is still active. This candle is still active here. So this is the support you're gonna use on the 4 hours. That's our support on the 4 hours. This candle started at 8 a.m. it's kind of open at 8 a.m. We are right now it's 8:55 a.m. So this was our support right before 8 a.m. Okay, let's use this as our support here, then here, for the 4 hours. On the 1 hour, before we jump down, on the 1 hour, let's jump down to 1 hour. On the 1 hour, this is what we have. This is our 1 hour resistance. Our 1 hour support is still here down here. Okay. Jump down to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes. Now this is where you can see we had this support here on 30 minutes. This was right before, this is the 7:30. We had this support right here. Yeah. We had that support right there on the 30 minutes. So this is how I would take. I wouldn't want to go down to 15 minutes given that today is Friday. Let's stick to the 30 minutes, okay? But you see, we still had this consolidation here. Market broke out. Okay, broke out, retest, push down. So we're gonna leave it at there at 30 minutes. So we move this one here. Use this level here. If we get a break above there, that would be a good point to take a sell buy from. That would be a good buying position, a good level to take a buy from. And if we get a break below, the break has already happened. So this break happened here. Try not to get confused around here. Now this is how I would take this market. I would place a sell limit here, waiting for the market to come and retest this level here and continue pushing the market down. Okay, so this is where I would trade today. This is how I would trade today. This is how I would take this trade today. So the levels I'd be taking my profit at, we have that level there. We have that level here. We have this level here. And this one here. And we have another level up here. That's the farthest I would want to push the market. We get a buy, but we already confirmed that the market wants to sell here. So for the sales, I'll be looking to take the market to this level here. This is TP1 and TP2 here. Then we have take profit 3 around here. Take profit for somewhere around there. Take profit 5. Profit 6 and 7. But today, I don't like how the market is looking. Short position. This was 8 a.m. Okay. Short position. Take it from here. Wait for the market to come retest this level here. Stop loss just above there. Take profit 2. This is as far as I would take this market today. Okay, so this is how I would trade today. That's how I would trade today, but I don't see myself taking a trade today. It's for the sake of those who feel the need to trade today. People with a high risk appetite, unlike myself. I love to preserve my capital whenever I can. If the setup doesn't look good, don't risk your capital. Don't risk your capital. Capital preservation, you live to fight another day. But if you risk unnecessarily, you will not have something to fight. If you use all your ammunition, what are you going to use to fight tomorrow? No. Because this market, it's just a battle between. That's too far. Let me just take the market down to this level. That's 2R. That's a risk reward of 2. Risk to reward ratio of 2. Remember, this market is just a fight between buyers and sellers. It's just like war. So this is where I'll take my profit. Yeah. Just call it profit 1. Or full this take profit 1. Okay. So this is how I would be looking at the market today. These are the levels I'd be focusing on today. Wait for price to come back, retest this level, push the market down to this level. Just get out, close your week, and have a lovely weekend. So see you on Monday, guys, for a recap of this. Yeah, see you Monday for a recap of these levels. This is what I'll be looking at today. So risk management is key. Trade what you see, not what you think. See you on Monday, guys. We'll have a review of this. Okay. Ciao. I'm out.